No, you're still on.
No, I know, but I think it's snagged on something.
Oh!
Keep going.
Alright, let's see what kind of bugs we got here. Got a clam. Freshwater clam. No, they're not invasive. Nope.
Oh!
Good teamwork.
In the NFL, that's a touchdown pass right there.
Oh yeah. There you go, another brown here on the yacht. There we go. A little rainbow. Very nice. There you go, Chuck. There we go. Nice. Way to go, Brian. Nice rainbow. There we go. There you go, Chuck.
I need to back up more.
You can't back up. You'll fall out of the boat. There we go. All right.